Hello to all of my boss buddies. I hope you guys are doing wonderful today. Welcome, welcome, welcome to those of you that are on my channel for the first time. I need you to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And for those of you that have been with me for the duration of the time, welcome back and thank you so very much for the support. So, guys, you know we are in our Valentine's Day vlog. We are vlogging along or just giving our experience with Valentine's Day and the different things that we are making. And I wanted to come by and do a really quick video to show you guys something that I am working on. And I also want to tell you guys to keep reminded that everybody that shop with you are going to have different budgets. Some people are able to buy things expensive, and then there are some people that will not have a lot of money and would like to buy a cheap gift, or maybe they have a lot of money, but maybe they've already bought, not bought, that's not a word. Maybe they have bought a larger gift and they just want something small to complement what they already have bought their significant other. So, for those of you that are going out to vend, which is what I stand for, y'all know I stand for going out, getting out on the streets to vend, okay? Not at a mall, not at a flea market, but actually out on the streets. Am I telling you you got to do it? No. Am I telling you you can do it and make a lot of money? Yes, I am. Okay, so anyway, you want to make sure for the people that come, you are able to accommodate everyone's budget, okay? So for those that have a little bit of money, you want to have something. For those that have a whole lot of money, you want to be able to give them something. And for those that have in between, you want to be able to give them something as well. So I'm going to show you guys something that I only invested maybe $1 in, and you can sell it anywhere from $8 to $10, maybe more, maybe less, depends on where you're from. But I promise you, you can get at least $8 for it, possibly 10. Okay, so I'm going to show you a video of what something simple that you can make, and if you don't have a whole lot of money, something you can buy really cheaply and make a pretty good profit off of each item. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, so here are some little bears and candles that I have put on some little small saucer plates. And if you don't have saucer plates, you can use mugs, whichever one are more convenient. If you're buying them from like a local dollar store or Dollar Tree, of course you can get them for $1. And these are some that I had purchased for a party, I believe it was, and I paid like $5 for a whole box of them. And of course, I didn't use them all, so I was trying to think of something that I could do to actually use them for Valentine's Day. So here I have some candles, and I told you guys to make sure you shop at what's the name of the store? Aldi's. I don't know if you have them in your city or state or not, but Aldi's have candles on clearance. Not only Aldi's, Walgreens, Target, any of those stores, you can find these candles really cheap. So all you have to do is hot glue the candle on the plate with the little bear, and then I put some little candy in it, and I put a shrink wrap and wrapped a little bow around it. Okay, all of these items, each product is probably going to cost less than $1 to make, and like I said, you can make anywhere from $8 to $10 um, off of the item. So there you have like a $7 to $9 profit, depending on what you charge for it. So make sure that you're grabbing small things so that you can make. You're not going to get rich off of it, okay? But there will be something that you can present to your customers if they come asking for something under $10, okay? So make sure you're in your bag and make sure that you're creating and designing, guys. I will see you on the next video.